Imagine playing a game for 8 years and then finding out you could dig into the settings and play twice better. Disappointing, isn't it? My journey in fixes was very long. I changed internet, changed computer, each time experiencing discomfort because the mouse sensitivity was different. Hundreds of videos with different fixes, and I found the magic pill. My frustration was huge, but my joy was no less. In this video, I will tell you exactly how to fix your input lag, guaranteed to feel the difference in this 5 minutes video. For those who don't know what input lag is the delay between what you have on your screen and what you're doing. In simple words, you move the mouse to the left and the game processes your request with a delay. And it turns out you have no sharpness in your pointing. The mouse as if floating. And input lag is real. Microsoft is a shit company, absolutely any shooters gamer knows this. The optimization of this system from the start leaves much to be desired. But there is an amazing parameter, so absurd that you'll laugh. Have you ever felt your mouse sensitivity change after you alt-tab the game or minimize the game? I'm sure you have. Even if you have a computer that produces 500 FPS, it has no effect on the fact that your mouse moves at different speeds. It turns out that any of your aim training suck, for the reason that the moves you've been doing for years have to be constantly different. Before we begin, a disclaimer. There are a number of basic actions. If you're a complete beginner and you haven't even turned off, for example, increased precision in your mouse settings, then you need to dig deeper. Actually, it will be much easier. If you want a separate video on the basic settings for Counter-Strike, post a comment and I'll do it. But it makes sense for you to watch this video too, so don't worry. Let's go to the fix. This guy is intended only for users with FullHD monitors. If you're playing Counter-Strike 2 in 2K resolution or higher, you will get input lag in any case. That's a known issue due to engine scaling. Proceed only if you use FullHD resolution for games and desktop. Thank you. First step, open Registry Editor. Press Windows button plus R to open the Run dialog. Type regedit and hit Enter. In Registry Editor, go to HK Local Machine, System, Current Control Set, Control, Graphics Drivers, and Configuration. Each folder here represents a monitor configuration saved by Windows. Some real, some virtual. You will see multiple folders with long names. Inside every folder, open the two subfolders 00 and 00. These contain key resolution parameters. Find your main monitors folder, preferably not the one starting with simulated. For example, this is my AOC monitor. Go into 00 folder and check. Prim surf size CX should be 1920 and prim surf size CY should be 1080. If it shows different values, that's not your main monitor. Important, if you're confused, just remember, you're copying the correct values from your main monitor folder into each and every other monitor folder manually. Do this. Open each folder's 00 and 00 subfolders, compare values like prim surf size CX and prim surf size CY, and any others. If values are different, change them to match your main monitor. All settings in other folders should be same as in your main monitor folder. Repeat for every folder. Now let's create a new parameter in every 00 subfolder. The first one. Right-click on the empty area in the 00 folder. You need to choose New, Dword 32-bit, Value. Name it exactly Stride. Double click it, switch to decimal and enter 7608. This is full HD value. Repeat this in the 00 folder of every monitor config. Almost last steps, final check before exit. Verify in each monitor folder PrimServe size CX1920, PrimServe size CY1080. And also you have stride 7608. If any values differ, copy and paste from your main monitor folder. Now clean things up in Device Manager. Press Windows button plus X, select Device Manager. Find Monitors, expand it. Right-click on your monitor and choose Uninstall Device. If your screen goes black, don't panic. Just press Reset button or hold Power button to restart. If the screen doesn't go black, just reboot normally. After your Windows restarts, turn your monitor off, then turn it on again. Physical power button. Done guys, you are all set. Open Counter-Strike or even just move the mouse around on your desktop. The input will feel much more direct and responsive. If the video helped you, put a like, share with your friends and good luck.